This is the West Virginia Amber Alert activation for the county of Marion, West Virginia. A child has been abducted from the town of Logansport and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Savannah Helgo. She is a 12-year-old white female, 4 foot 10 inches tall, 110 pounds, with blonde hair and hazel eyes. Last seen wearing a light-colored blue tank top, white shorts, and white sneakers, carrying a white bag. Abducted by her older brother Jonathan Steele Helgo. A 22-year-old white male, 5 feet 10 inches tall, 170 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing a white t-shirt, tan camo leggings, and is carrying a lanyard on his left waist. They may be traveling in a silver 2015 Chevrolet Sonic sedan. Bearing West Virginia license plate 4RG2304. If seen, call 911.